All the student today we are discuss your important topic respiratory system. So firstly we are knowledge about the what is the respiratory system. So the respiratory system also is a respiration and voluntary system. So is a biologically system. So consists of a specific organ and the structure. So used for the gas exchanging in the human. So these are the respiratory system. So organ of the respiratory system, some organ involved in the respiratory system like a nose and nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, two bronchi, bronchus and two lung. So these are the organs of the respiratory system. So next one is we will discuss about the each and every part of the respiratory system. So let's start about the nose and nasal cavity. So what is the nose and nasal cavity? And what is the function of nose and nasal cavity? So first is position and structure. So main route of air entry. So two cavity divided by the septum. So anteriorly consist by the hyaline and cartilage. The roof is formatted by the ethmoid bone. So the floor is formatted by the roof of the mouth. So next one is the lateral wall formatted by the maxilla and middle wall formatted by the septum. So these are the structure and basic about the nose. So respiratory function of the nose. So what is the function of the nose? Like the first of the respiratory passing, like the immune vasculator of the mucosa, filtration and cleaning. So this is occur due to hair, so which is a trap large particle, like a filtration and cleaning of air pass through the nose. So next one is the as the air is a travel over the most mucosa, so it is a become the saturated with the water vapor. So next one is the what is the pharynx. So what is the pharynx is the part of the throat. So that is the behind mouth and nasal cavity and above the esophagus and the larynx. So the length of the pharynx like 12 to 40 centimeter, like extend from the base of the skull to the level of the sixth vertebral vertebra. So next is the position and structure. So like a base of skull. So continue with the esophagus. Incomplete wall is because of the nose and mouth and larynx opening. So these are the position of the pharynx. So next one is the like these are divided into some part like nasopharynx, oropharynx and laryngopharynx. So these are the some part of the pharynx. So next one is the structure like a mucosal membrane lining, fibrar tissue, smooth muscle. So these are the binding with the and help for the structure of pharynx. So like a blood supply which vein is supplied to larynx or pharynx supply like a facial artery, facial vein or internal jugular vein. So these are veins supplied to blood into the pharynx. So next one is the nerve supply like a vagus nerve or glossopharynx nerve. So these are a nerve too under the pharynx. So next one is the function. So these are the main part of the pharynx like a passing away for the air and food, like it is a part of the esophagus because it is behind the throat. So mainly pass away for air and food, warming and humidify like a taste. These are the olfactory nerve ending. So it is also helpful for the hearing like a auditory tube, so extending from the nasopharynx to each middle ear. So these are the helping for the air because the ordinary tube and extending from the nasopharynx to each middle ear, that can be helpful for the hearing. And next one is the protection like a lymphatic tissue of the pharynx in tonsil provided a antibiotic. So next one, it can be also help for the speech, like act as the resonating chamber for this sound ascending from the larynx. So it can also help for the speech. So these are the four function of the pharynx, like a taste, hearing, protection, and speech. So next one is the larynx. So position like the larynx is a voice box extend from the root of the tongue. So it is a lies in the front of the larynx, so at the level of 3 and 4th and 5th and 6th cartival vertebra. So throat is the cartilage, so which is the largest, and next one is the unit of the probity. These are a little difference in the size of the larynx between the sexes. So it is a grow large in the male because it is a different size of the larynx between the sexes, like the growth of large in the male. So मेल में क्या होगा, इसका साइज बड़ा होगा कंपेयर किया जाए जब फीमेल के साथ. तो स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगी, larynx is a composed of the severe regularly shaped and cartilage in attached to the each other of the larynx like a membrane. So the main cartilage are the thyroid cartilage, coracoid cartilage, and artery node cartilage, or these are these binding with the thyroid cartilage. So first one is the what is the thyroid cartilage. So it is the most positioned, like it consists of two flat pieces of the hyaline cartilage or fused in artery form of the Edmonds. So these are the structure. So next one is this blood supply and nerve supply, like a throat veins, larynx veins. So these are veins supplied to blood and nerve. So function, so main role and main function of the larynx, like a production of sound, speech, protection of the lower respiratory tract during the swelling, and larynx is moved upward the esophagus, so close over the larynx. Like a first one you can say, like a what is the main function of larynx, like a producing of sound and as well as helping for speech. So first one is the pathway for air filtration and warming. So these are the also function of the larynx. So next one is the trachea. So what is the trachea? The trachea is the continue of the part of the larynx, so extend downward to about the level of thyroid 5, so where it is divided into right and left primarily bronchi. So these are divided into two parts. First one is the right and second one is the left primarily bronchi. So length of the trachea like a 10 to 11 centimeter. So relationship like a larynx, bronchi, so upper part of the thyroid gland, so lower part of the aorta. Also these are the relationship with the other part of the body. So it also is laterally like a function of the lungs and as well as the esophagus. So structure of the trachea, like a composed of 3 layers of tissue, like a first elastic tissue, fabric tissue, smooth muscle, or columnar epithelium tissue. So these are 3 layers of the consist of the trachea. First one is elastic tissue, second one is smooth muscle, third one the epithelium. So it is a blood supply like a bronchial artery, thyroid artery. So these are arteries supplied to a blood supply of the trachea. So veins like a thyroid veins or nerve supply like a other nerve supply is like a thyroid vein or other blood supply to a bronchi and trachea. So next one is function of the trachea. So it is the importance you should be right about the like a supporting and protection, cough reflex and filtration. So these are the main function of the trachea. So next one we will discuss about the what is the bronchi and bronchioles. So the two primarily bronchi. So when is the trachea divided about the level of thyroid 5 or the right bronchi, it is a wide or short and move with a vertical. So then the left bronchus. So length of the bronchi near about 2.5 centimeter. So after entry, so right lungs is divided into a 3 bronchi. One is to each loop. So left bronchi is it is a narrow then right. तो जो लेफ्ट होगा वो नैरो होगा देन किसके साथ राइट के साथ. So length about near about like 5 centimeters. So after entering the left lungs, so it is divided into 2 bronchi, one of each loop. So structure of the bronchi, like bronchi is composed of the same issues as the trachea. तो इसमें क्या होगा, जो स्ट्रक्चर होगी ऑलमोस्ट सेम होगी किसकी, ट्रैकिया जैसी. सो आर द लाइंड इज द कार्टिकेज. सो epithelium tissue, so divided of bronchi like bronchioles, terminal bronchioles, respiratory bronchioles or bronchi tubes. So main function of bronchi like control of air entry. So mainly bronchi का काम क्या है, कंट्रोल करना एयर की एंट्री को किसमें, लंग्स में. नेक्स्ट वन इज दी वार्मिंग एंड सपोर्टर एंड प्रोटेक्शन और रिमूवल ऑफ पार्टिकल मटेरियल लाइक कैसे रिमूव करने पार्टिकल्स को, कफ रिफ्लेक्स के द्वारा. सो दीज आर द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द ब्रोंकाई. जब कोई पार्टिकल एयर के थ्रू इनसाइड चला जाता है बॉडी में तो क्या होता है, कफ रिफ्लेक्स क्या करता है, कफ सेंटर सीडीजेड सेंटर से मैसेज आता है कि कोई सम पार्टिकल जो है वो बॉडी में एंटर कर सकता है, तो यू शुड बी रिमूव टू द बॉडी. तो क्या होता है, कफ रिफ्लेक्स जो है वो ऑन हो जाता है, तो रिमूव किया जाता है उस पार्टिकल मटेरियल को विद द हेल्प ऑफ ब्रोंकाई के. So lungs. So they are the two lungs, one of lining of each side like a shape cone. Weight is a 600 to 700 grams. Length 20 to 24 centimeter. Color like a pinkish. So these are the information about the lungs. So again I will repeat, it is very important for all the students. So firstly, there are two lungs, one lining of each side. Firstly, you should write like a shape of lungs like a cone. Weight 600 to 700 gram. Length 20 to 24 centimeter. Color pinkish. Loop 3 loops in the right lungs and 2 loops in the left lungs. So these are the difference between right and left lungs. First one is a 3 loops in the right lungs and 2 loops in the left lungs. So loops are the separated by these are functionally like fasciores. So loops are the separated. So these area between the lungs into the mid separations like the surface, apex, a base and coatal surface or middle surface. These are the 4 surface of lungs like apex, a base, coatal surface or middle surface. So what is the apex or what is the meaning of apex? Like a rounded and rise into the root of the neck. So these are the you should call the apex. So what is the apex? Like a rounded and rise into the root of neck. So this is the apex. So what is the a base? So this is the concave like a semilum in the shape. So lies on the trachea and diameters of the surface. These are the divided and base of the lungs. So what is the coatal surface? What is the coatal surface? So this is the surface of convex or against the lies against the coatal cartilage. So middle surface, what is the middle surface? This is a surface if the convex has been roundly So triangle shape area, so called the hilum. So primary artery is a supply the lungs. So two primary veins is drawing it. So next one is the what is the difference between right lungs and left lungs. So first will be a discuss about the right lungs. The right lungs have a more loops. First one is the 3 loops like a upper, middle and lower loops. So they is separated by 2 facets. One is a oblique, so facets is the separated by a middle and lower loops. So next one is the one horizontal. So left lungs like a upper loop or lower loops. So they is separated by the obliques. So left lungs does not have a middle loop. So you should be right कि लेफ्ट लंग्स में डज नॉट हैव ए मिडल लूप, इसमें मिडल लूप नहीं होती है. ब्लड सप्लाई कहाँ से होगी इसको? ब्रोंकाई आर्टरी से, प्लेमरी कैपिलरी से. और इसमें क्या होगा? वेयर देयर इज ए एक्सचेंजिंग ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड टेक प्लेस बिटवीन ए ब्लड और टिश्यू. तो यू शुड राइट दीज पॉइंट. लाइक ए ब्लड सप्लाई कहाँ से होगी? ब्रोंकाई आर्टरी से. और प्राइमरली जो कैपिलरी है वेयर देयर इज ए एक्सचेंजिंग ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड टेक प्लेस सो बिटवीन ब्लड एंड टिश्यू. सो वेन कहाँ से होगी? देखो ब्लड सप्लाई हो रही है ब्रोंकाइल आर्टरी से, और वेन कहाँ से होगी? ब्रोंकाई वेन से. और जो इसकी नर्व सप्लाई है वो वैगस नर्व से होगी. इसकी फंक्शन, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ लंग्स? सो दीज आर द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द लंग्स, लाइक ए कंट्रोल ऑफ एयर, support and protection and removal of particle materials like a cuff reflex. So you should be similar to a bronchi. These are the function. Lungs and bronchi similar function of the each other. So next one is the respiration. So the term is a respiration mean the exchanging of gas between a body cell and the environmental, like a breathing and pulmonary ventilation. Like this is the movement of air into the out of the lung, like exchanging of gas. So this take place. So in this lungs is external respiration. So in the tissue like a internal respiration. So again I will repeat what is the respiration. So you should be right all the point. What is the respiration? Again I will repeat the term of respiration meaning the exchanging of gas between a body cell and the environmental. So breathing or pulmonary ventilation, like this is a movement of air into and out of the lungs. So exchanging of gas like this take place, and in this lungs is external respiratory, or in this tissue internal respiration. So breathing, what is the meaning of breathing? लाइक ब्रीथिंग इज ए सप्लाई ऑक्सीजन टू दी. और क्या होता है? ब्रीथिंग सप्लाई करती है ऑक्सीजन टू किसमें? लंग्स को, और एलिमिनेशन करती है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बॉडी से. और मसल ऑफ ब्रीथिंग क्या है? सो द चेस्ट इज ए ड्यूरिंग इंस्पिरेशन इज अकर एज द रिजल्ट ऑफ ए मस्कुलर एक्टिविटी, और पार्टिकुलरली मेनली किसमें? वॉलंटरी एंड इनवॉलंटरी मसल में. सो दीज मेन muscle used in a normal quater. So breathing is also the intercostal muscle and diaphragm. So these are the muscle involved in the help of the breathing.